How to download and install the Hertz app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device. In here, search Hertz. You'll find different options here. You can download Hertz with your country like this one, Hertz Malaysia, or simply install this car rental Hertz. Click on it. And then in here, press on install at the top. After you press install, the app will be installed in your device. After it's installed, you can press on open the app, and log into your account and use Hertz app. This is how to download and install the Hertz app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.